Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle, and they sent me this card this time. And here is the box, and remember, I will have links to this box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to have individual links to the materials that I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not everything in the box. So you'll see a bunch of links on there, links to social media and all that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Can't wait to see what the theme's gonna be. What's it gonna be? Oh, and remember, this cord that they tie the box with, I love that they do this, is wax cotton cord, so it's actually jewelry grade. So I'm always saving this now when I get it because I can reuse it for jewelry, and it's actually long enough, at least I think it is, to make a wrap bracelet with it on a loom. Basically, you put a button on here, tie a knot, do the little loom stitch, right? You can wrap it around your wrist once or twice. I think it goes twice. Yeah, it goes about twice, so it's useful. Don't throw it away. Okay, so let's see. In case you're new to this, this is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the pieces in this box. And usually it's a necklace and a bracelet, but sometimes it'll be like an extravagant necklace with a pair of earrings. And I'll put some pictures up now of some examples of some of the designs I've got in this box, in case you're new to it. Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh, I see little gold rings. These are jump rings. I love these. I've got these a few times already in silver and in gold. And I'm gonna make some space. I think these are 10mm. They are, it's called diamond cut. And because they're diamond cut, it actually is kind of hard to tell. Oh, it's already open. Like, it's not opening. It's already open. It's hard to tell where it's open at. Sometimes I have to put it up to the light to see the opening. It's like, where is it cut? See? You really gotta focus on it. Actually, are these cut? Are they soldered shut? Okay, right there's the cut. It's really hard to see. So yeah, I like those. There was a necklace. There's been a few necklaces. But there's one necklace that I remember that had a bunch of these jump rings in it and pearls. Hopefully I can find a picture of what I'm talking about. Put it up now. We have a little star charm, double-sided. It's cute. Okay. And then, get out of here, get out of here. This mat collects everything because it's like felt. What? What are these? They're clear? Are they glass? Are these O beads? I've never had O beads. I've had demis, which is a little seed bead. Comes in 11 and 8s. I think I got it in 8 in my stash. Just know I'm gonna drop some. I think they're glass. They're so tiny and clear. I mean, if they're not glass, maybe they're silicone, but I think silicone would have like a frosty look to it. There's a good amount in there. Maybe that'll be some kind of a spacer or something. It's clear glass. It must be, because this is clear glass, right? This is 6mm Czech Druks. Okay, and it's nothing too fancy. Well, they are like the best quality clear glass beads you can get is Czech Druks, but since it's kind of a basic thing, I'm not gonna open a bag because it takes a long time to film the video, edit it. People don't want to watch longer videos. It's just how it is. These are wire guardians. this is the first time, I think this is the first time we've got these, and there's a bunch in there. 8 maybe? I think 8. Basically, it's a piece of wire. It's shaped like a U. There's a tube on each side, and you pass your bead stringing wire through one side. Oh, come on. Get off of the other. You pass it up through one tube, put your clasp on. You have to make sure that it's through that U thing there, the wire guardian, and then you pass the wire back through the other tube, and you crimp it. Okay, and then we have more of these jump rings. This is a 6mm. Again, they are faceted so well, it's really hard to see where the opening is. Okay, so that's like mostly the findings there. Well, there's some beads. And what else? Pearls. These are Czech pearls. Oh, I think this is the, we don't get this very often. I'm going to open this. I think this is the turban pearl. There's a bead that's shaped funny. I want to say I've seen it called a snail or a turban bead. There's actually a snail called a turbo snail. It sounds kind of funny because it makes it sound like the snail's fast, but it ain't no fast snail. It's just the shape of its shell. So there's 5 of those. And then more pearls. These are 8. These are all Czech glass, by the way. So, all the beads that I get from this box are Czech glass. And one time, there was a project that I did that had ceramic in it. And I guess it was made in the Czech Republic. Because they had called it... Oh, I gotta run away. They had called it a Czech ceramic. But I could tell that it was really well made, the quality of it. Okay, and then more pearls. This one's twisted. I don't see this one very often. This is looking pretty fancy so far. This is a twisted pearl. Cool, and by the way, this color is not bright white, it is ivory, so it's off-white. And we have ball head pins in gold. Okay, and then star beads. This color is called, oh my gosh, there's a lot. This color is called Aztec gold. There's a bunch in here. This is a smaller size. I've seen this star, I think 3 or 4 different sizes. I know there's a 6mm. This looks like an 8. There's like a 10 or 12. Those are gorgeous. They sell these little Czech glass Christmas trees, and I think that these stars are really cute on top of those trees. They're flat too, just like the star. And then we have Eyepins. There's 4 in there. Okay. Crimp Tubes, and there's several. They do give us extra crimp tubes, but I wonder if we'll have multiple streams, because it seems like a lot. And then, what is this? This is metal. I thought it was a gold seed bead. This looks like a 3.5, maybe 4mm. It's like a 3 or 3.5 or 4mm spacer bead. They are nice. I think they do have a seam though. They're not seamless. Okay. And then this is looking very classy. 2 lobster claw clasps. So that means a necklace and a bracelet. And then, oh my gosh, there's so many bags in here. 3 jump rings, 6mm. Okay, is that still in view? Yes. And then we have, these are oval jump rings, which I love more because they're stronger. So see, those are round, these are oval. Oval jump rings are stronger because the opening is there on the side. So when you wear your piece of jewelry, your clasp will be on one side, and then your chain or your bead string will be on the other side. So it's pulling in that direction. Sometimes I know the cord crimps. It's a cord, it's like this, it's flat in the middle, has a side. You fold it over like this onto your cord. Sometimes the metal on those will be so thin that if you use a round jump ring, that cord crimp will slip through. I have a necklace that my mom got me from the Bahamas, and whenever I wear it, that happens. So I need to put an oval jump ring on there to stop that from happening. Oh my gosh, it was so teeny. This is little crystal, meaning clear stars. This is a 6mm size I was just talking about, and it has gold splatter on it. See that? It has a pretty little shimmer to it, and it's just a little bit smaller than these. I think these are 8. They could be 9 or 10 though. They could be. Okay, what else? Oh, tubes. I also call these noodle beads. I actually think they're called noodle beads. Metal tubes. Sometimes I've got these, you know, used. I'll get them new. But I've got some used ones that were really thick tubes. And I've got some that are thinner. These here are thinner. And then a chain. I think this is just a extender chain that I'm gonna see. Oh, how long is this? Oh, it could be a bracelet. It could be a bracelet chain. I might be making little charms for this. Or I might cut it in half to have an extender on the necklace and bracelet. Something like that. I think this is the chain that I got before. I don't remember if I got it in silver though. And I think all of it's soldered, so I probably have to cut it with my cutters if I'm going to use it as an extender. Okay, we have bead string wire. And that kind of looks like a lot to me. So maybe it's a longer piece. And then charms. We have another star. This one is not double-sided, but really it looks fine on the other side, so it doesn't matter if it flips. It's just flat. Okay, so this is the front. See, it's kind of like a facet. They're angled, the sides, and then flipping over, that side's just flat. Okay, and there's still more. Oh, I love this bead. I don't know what it's called. It's just like a ripple, but smaller. I actually like it more because it's smaller. It's really pretty. It seems thick too. I think I have these in my stash in an aqua blue color. This is the Aztec gold color again. Aztec gold. So like I said, gold. I like those a lot. Okay, more bags. Oh my gosh, that's cute. It's a coin shape. Star charm. Does it look the same on the other side? It probably does. Yes, it's very pretty. I like this a lot. That's adorable. It's very close in size to that. I wonder if it'll hang in front of this, actually. We will see. Come on back, open up. Okay, and then seed beads. I love working with seed beads, and these are Czech glass seed beads. This color is called White Ceylon. Czech glass, 6 O's. I'm thinking they could be 5 O's, because I know they sell those sizes too, and they're so close in size, very close. Those are pretty. So if I really want to find out if these are 6 O's, I think they're 6 O's, or 5 O's, I can go onto their site, put the code in, and it will tell me. And again, a reminder, I'm going to have links to everything you see here down there below in the description bar in case you want to reorder any of this. More stars. This is the 6mm size as well, same exact color as this. And since it's pretty much the same as the other ones, I'm not going to worry about opening it. And we still have more. These are Druks, 6mm Aztec gold, Czech Druks. I will open this one. Those are pretty. I love Druks. I really do love round. Just round Czech glass. It's simple and it's beautiful. Okay, one baggie. More stars. Is this one the same size? Come on. Get on down. Yeah, they're the same size. So clear. It's like 8 or 9, 10mm, something like that. Czech stars. And there we go. That's everything in the box. I don't see any leaking beads. And there's a lot of stuff here. It looks like there's going to be a lot of steps. There has been some really gorgeous designs with this box, and I've really enjoyed working with it. So this is it. Remember, I'm going to have a picture at the beginning of this video and at the end showing what all of this looks like put together, so you will see the completed picture for this project. And I'm very excited, and I can't wait to work on it. So I will be doing that later. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, I will have a link to the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there. You're also going to see individual links for the materials here in case you just want a few things, but not everything. And this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.